Hello! In this video I will show you how to bypass parental control on POCO X6. So you have to start with opening your Google application and then click on your avatar and click on Manage your Google account. Now click on Data and Privacy and then scroll down and click on Delete your Google account. Now click Continue and click Use Pattern, and you have to enter your lock screen pattern now. Now you have to scroll down and check these two checkboxes and click Delete Account. Now your account has been deleted, so let's recover it by opening, for example, Google Play Store, and now click Sign In. Now you have to enter your email address. And as you can see, my account is deleted, so let's click Next to recover my account. And now I have to enter my password. And now you can click I agree. Now click Accept. And now I'm logged in back into my account, and my account is fully recovered. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.